Welcome friends. In the last video, we have seen like how we can send back our response to the response video. And in this video, we are going to add the logging information to our APIs. So how we can add this? Let's see. Spring Boot by default provide logging frameworks that is like SLF4J logging and logging abstraction and logback as a default logging implementation. So for if you want to use another, we can customize that as well. For that, we can use log4j2 if we prefer. Then for that, we need to add some dependencies. Let's see here. If you see, this is the logback default dependency we can use as a Spring Boot use. We don't need to configure this. If we want to prepare the log4j, then in that case we need to add this dependency and we need to do some extra configuration. So we are going with this default for now. Let's understand how we can implement this. For that, first we need to prepare some logging files so that we can use in our application.properties. So here I have prepared one file that I am adding in my properties file. Let's add it in our properties file. This you can here you can use login level dot info. I will explain this what is login level, log levels which we can use login level dot from here we can use in our package name. So here we need to give package. So let's implement add our package name com.employee dot employee dot employee. And here log file name we need to provide a log file path, that is log default path is here, and add log and pattern we are printing here. Like we need to give this pattern. So let's implement in our controller class. Here we need to create one logger instance. So for that, let's create here one logger instance. How we can create that? For that, we need to use private static final logger. Let's implement this. Private static final logger, and we need to create an instance for this logger object. So I am using logger equal to, we need to import this class, import logger. Okay, it's a default, it is giving us a logger, then logger factory dot get logger, and we need to provide our class name. Logger factory dot get class name, get logger factory we can use, and we can provide our employee controller dot class, employee controller dot class. So we have created an instance for our logger here. Employee controller we need to use, our class name we need to use dot class. Why it is not taking? We are using logger factory. Okay, here we need to use get logger and employee dot what we import a different package. Let's recreate this. We need to use SLF4J package, private static final logger SLF4J. First we use logging, so this we need to be careful here. Logger equal to logger factory dot get logger, get logger and our class name employee controller dot class. And we will use this logger instance to print our logging message in our method. Suppose here I have created one method is there. So I will use this logger info to print logging message in our method. So let's use here logger dot logger dot info. So we are printing logger dot info level messages, and we will print inside our method is creating new employees. Creating new employee, and we will print our employee here. Employee object we need to print means we can see this on console. Employee. So this we have added a log message here. Like this, we can add in different in each method. Like here we are, I am adding fetching all employees. Let's add here logger dot info, and I will. So here I am getting all employees. So fetching all employees. Like this, we can implement logger in our application. Let's run our app and we will see if it is printing or not. And then after this, we are going to see like how we can means what is the logging level. So there is a default logging level is info. So we need to use info. Then we can use debug or error. Let's see once our application is started. And we will hit one point here. From here we will create new employee, as we have added in create employee. So we will hit one request to check if our log message is printing or not. We'll see once it is started. Okay, Tom is started, and we will hit this endpoint. So here if we see this logging message is printing on our console, creating new employees, and our new employees created in our database. So this we can use for tracking the information, as well as we can create a new file as per our requirement. So if you want to customize your logger, so you can use log4j, or you can use default logging in our application. That's all from this video, guys. If you like the content of the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video. And one more important information I had to forget here. If you see here, log message, this file is created in our log. So if you check this file here also, you can find the log, as we initially configure it in our application.properties. So this is the log printed from our request. So that's it from guys. Subscribe to channel. Don't forget to like videos. Thanks for watching. If you like the videos, I will create means I will get motivated and will create more videos on this channel. Thanks for watching.